Hi everybody, thank you for clicking on today's video. So today I'm going to be going in with this. I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. I'm also going to be doing a full-length review on it this coming up week on my channel. This right here was sent to me by Casey in Florida. She's a subscriber that's been on my channel for a very long time. She owns one of these as well, and so she sent one to me because she wanted to know like what kind of looks and stuff that I could do with it and show her some things that you could use it for. So other than that, let's go ahead and get this video started because this thing right here actually surprised me. Anyways, so today I'm going to be sticking, like there is quite a few shades in here. So some of the shades I'm going to be sticking around is going to be up here and down here in the two sides, and of course some of these others. I'm going to do a little bit, because a lot of the reason why Casey sent this to me is because she wants my input on what kind of looks and everything that I can do with it. That's something that she could wear as well. So I'm gonna do something that's kind of like on the cusp of natural and I don't know, something that's very me, as well as something I feel is just very wearable in general. And then of course some of the middle shades that are kind of like a foiled, they're like a foiled kind of shimmer. I wouldn't necessarily say that they're like a glitter, they're more like a foil type eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my long-haired brush, and I'm gonna grab this very top shade up here in the corner. I'm gonna use this as a crease. Okay, so after we already have that shade applied, I'm going to go in with the shade over here in the very back corner. And we're going to use some of that shade as well to kind of darken up the crease of the eye, and then we're going to jump underneath the eye. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this right here shade, and I'm gonna use that right there with a short-haired eye blending brush, and then I'm gonna actually grab this right here shade with a flat brush and use that near like the tear duct area. So let's go ahead and get that started. Okay, same with that flat brush, and then taking that right there shade and putting it underneath the eye, close to the tear duct. Okay, so next up what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this right here dark shade down in the very corner end of the palette, and we're going to be using that in the crease of our eye and a little bit on the outer portion of the under part of our eye. Okay, so next up I'm going to be taking a flat brush with this right here dark Actually, let's go ahead and do this shade right here. We're going to be doing this shade right here next to the dark shade, next to the gold shade, and the foiled shades. And I'm going to be using Kat Von D setting spray to wet my brush, and then I'm going to be using a flat brush to apply that right there shade. Okay, so after applying that middle shade, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and my mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. Obviously, it's now time for contouring, so I'm gonna be using the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. You sure this video shouldn't be titled "Companies That Don't Like Each Other"? I wear products that don't like each other. Okay. Okay, so next up for blush, I'm going to be going into this lovely little palette and everything, which is by Tarte, which is called the Hilton Weekend. We're going to be using the middle shade called Summer House. Okay, so next up by Jeffree Star, going in with Peach Goddess for highlight. Okay, and then going in with Ice Cold by Jeffree with a smaller fluffy brush to do some detail highlight. Okay, next up by Jeffree, I'm going to be using the Unicorn Blood by JEFFREE Star. Okay, so right after that, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my wig and then I'll be right back. Okay, and this right here is our finished look. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video for Makeup Mondays. I don't know, I like it. I like it. I like a dark like lip anytime and everything, but as far as the color of the eyes, I really like the like burnt orange look to it. I really, really do. It's, I don't know, it's an enjoyable look and everything. I don't know. I'd wear this out probably for, I don't know, dinner, a 1-year anniversary or something like that. I don't know. I'd wear it out and everything. That I would definitely do that. Anyways, so make sure to like, subscribe, become a part of the Angel Group or the Angel Army, however you like to put it and everything. I'm feeling a little like off kilter today. I don't know why. I'm not feeling myself like I usually am. Anyways, I love you all. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and everything. If you haven't, please make sure to check out Patreon. There's a ton of stuff on there. Anyways, I will talk to you all later. Bye.